In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Reddit. If you want to send a direct message through Reddit's chat feature, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can start a conversation quickly and confidently. First, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser by opening the Reddit website. Make sure you're signed into your account before continuing, because the chat feature is only available when you're logged in. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to do that first so everything works smoothly. Once you're on Reddit and logged in, look to the top right area of the screen. There, you should see the message or chat icon. This is the shortcut to your Reddit conversations. Click that icon to open the chat area. If you already have conversations, you may see them listed there. If not, that's completely fine. You can still begin a new one right away. Next, click the option to start a new chat. Reddit will usually show a field where you can enter the username of the person you want to contact. Type in their Reddit username carefully to make sure you are selecting the correct person. This is especially important if the username is similar to someone else's. Once the right username appears, select it so Reddit knows who you want to chat with. After that, you'll be taken to a chat window where you can type your message. Enter the message you want to send. Keep it clear and polite, especially if you're contacting someone for the first time. A short introduction or a simple explanation of why you're reaching out can make the conversation feel more natural and respectful. When your message is ready, hit send. Your chat message will then be delivered through Reddit's chat system, and the other person will be able to reply when they see it. If they respond, the conversation will continue in the same chat window, so you can easily keep track of everything in one place. That's all it takes to chat on Reddit. Go to Reddit, open the message icon in the top right, start a new chat by entering a username, then type your message and send it. If you're new to the platform, this is one of the easiest ways to connect directly with other users. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.